This is the start of the first entrance. This is the entrance for Path C. I'm gonna go over this little hill here, which will hump over into Nanhai. We could see it from here, and then we're gonna climb up that mountain there. Here's a nice panoramic view from the ground, a little bit elevated here on the hill, of Nanhai Valley. Current situations as of September 16th, 2021. Let's send the drone up and get a little bit more of a deeper view of the valley. Still a beautiful day right now. Some clouds over there in the southeast, but still pretty good. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. Gorgeous view of the volcano over there. Smoky. Hasn't erupted yet. I haven't seen anything as far as lava exploding out of the crater. Just smoke. All the lava is concentrated inside right now. Path B and A are down there, which go on the other side to the left of the volcano. So let's move along. Maybe I'll show you a little bit of the other side of this mountain. And here's there's 427 road over there. And this is the right side of the Path C mountain that we're climbing and hiking to go up. We're almost up there. Probably say like another 15 minutes and we're at the top. Just catching my breath, relaxing. There's no need to hurry. The day is actually really nice, so we're not running against any crazy weather today. Just wanted to kind of give an experience from this path to the one I did in May and June, which is on that side right there in the middle where all the lava is kind of like blocking everything. This is actually a little bit better. There are a few steep areas, but the path is pretty good as long as you take your time. I'd probably say I've been going so far for 45 minutes and we're almost there, so I would say an hour if you're stopping for some water or just snacks. But let me show you another vantage point of all the lava. There's the volcano over there. And you can see there's still a lot of room left until if this keeps pushing. 427 road is down there, so there's still a lot of ways to go until that goes to the road. So everything's all right over there. There's no wind, which is crazy. There's always wind here. There's no wind, especially at the top of the mountain. There's always some kind of crazy extreme wind. So I'm gonna keep going and maybe send the drone out just to get a little bit more of a broader view and perhaps try to get it closer to the volcano. See if we can see inside. To the very top here of the Path C. This is pretty much, actually, you know what, I thought this was the highest point, but you can actually keep going up to that mountain, which is even higher. But it looks like people kind of just settle here for the most part, because you get a phenomenal view of the crater anyways. But yeah, I'll probably say an hour. Took an hour to get here. There's the point of reference is the antenna here, so you can understand when you come here. This is Pat to see, it's the antenna, and I think there's a camera there. I gotta check. It might be one of the live feeds. But this is a great vantage point. It's a little bit further out than before, but nonetheless still great vantage point. I gotta say it's much smoother. This was definitely much smoother of a hike than the previous ones. Still have to do that one over there because you could get up there. It looks a little bit more steep. By the way, another observation for the volcano. Last time it was erupting maybe like 5 to 8 minutes, and I'm talking about like huge eruptions, nothing minimal. Right now in September, it looks like the volcano has slowed down a little bit. It has been dormant for a couple of weeks prior to the month of September, but right now it's still erupting. Not as crazy as before. You don't see like crazy geyser looking lava coming out of it. I just saw it erupt for a little bit. It's just pretty much smoke coming out from the volcano. So yeah, that's something I noticed, and it's probably taking, I think, around 10 minutes now, maybe 10 to 15 minutes for it to actually do something. Get a little snack and some water, and I'm gonna send out the drone and show you some really good stuff. The volcano's actually erupting right now. Just packed my stuff. It started raining. It's gonna come down really hard over there. You can see the cloudiness. So I have to cover all my gear. Heading back to the car now. I'm gonna get some food and warm up and dry some of the stuff that got wet already.